Anticipated in January, Samsung's upcoming flagship device will take on the titanium iPhone 15 Pro Max. One thing is for sure though, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will mark a substantial advancement for the Galaxy S series. It appears that we already know a lot about the future handset. When Samsung releases its next phone, it will have an advantage against Apple's iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which were revealed in the middle of September 2023 and contain a ton of new features, are formidable rivals. The S24 Ultra, part of Samsung's S24 family, is anticipated to sport a sizable 6.8-inch display, a 10x periscope camera, and an integrated S Pen stylus. However, the Ultra is also expected to come with a few small upgrades, like a quicker chipset, a bigger battery, and potentially faster charging. Additionally, the display might be smoother and brighter. We anticipate that Samsung will keep innovating and producing a fascinating phone in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. There have already been rumors regarding the S24 Ultra's features and specifications since it is scheduled to release. Samsung is unlikely to raise the cost of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The 256GB model is anticipated to start at $1,199, and the 512GB version is probably going to cost $1,299 with a price tag of $1,619. The 1TB version will be the most costly. These costs are identical to those of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we hope they won't alter. This Ultra phone will include Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and back, making it an extremely high-end device. It has a mainly flat design and S Pen included. It is unlikely that the 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display will enlarge or decrease, so the overall size of the phone will not change. However, there are rumors indicating that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will retain 45 watts of fast wattage charging, which should be sufficient to charge the phone's 5,000 mAh battery in just over an hour. There will also be options for wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The S21 Ultra, that was announced on January 14, 2021, and released worldwide on January 29, 2021, is the only example of how it precisely fits into the January 17th announcement and release opening that most recent Galaxies have followed. Ultimately, we had anticipated an early February announcement, but a mid-January debut wouldn't be all that surprising. That's everything we currently know about the Samsung S24 Ultra. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.